If you don't like long courses but want real AI results, then do this. A focused 30-minute daily learning plan. Free tools you can use daily, no-cost income ideas anyone can start without coding. Ready? Minute 1. Learn basics with a 30-minute daily routine. Learn what AI is, and why it matters. Learn prompts, crafting effective instructions. Understand models, language, vision, multimodal types. Split 30 minutes. 10 theory, 10 practical, 10 projects. Week 1. Focus on fundamentals. Week 2. Master prompts and strategies. Week 3. Learn tools like Colab and Hugging Face. Week 4. Build freelancing skills and delivery. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming and writing. Use Google Colab for experiments and notebooks. Use Hugging Face for models and hosting. Use Canva AI to design images and thumbnails. Use these tools to create short-form content quickly. Automate YouTube captions and video text. Write gig descriptions and service offers. Prompt engineering. State the goal clearly. Give the model a role to play. Set constraints and response limits. Provide an example output to mimic, repeat, and iteratively refine prompts. Start by building one clear freelance gig. Deliver high-quality work reliably. Upsell additional services to increase value. Automate repetitive tasks using AI tools. Sell templates for videos and designs. Create and sell high-converting thumbnails. Write ready-to-use video scripts for creators. Offer AI voiceover services with no coding. Aim for small daily wins over 90 days. Ship a portfolio piece every week to showcase. Always apply AI ethically and respectfully. Start today. Block 30 minutes and begin now.